Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but we've been kind of taking it easy for a little bit. You know, we worked up in South Dakota for 5 months, and so we've been just busy being retired. So we're down here in Arizona. Been down here for a while, and weather is real nice. We're in the 70s during the day, and we run down to the 50s at night here. We're just outside of Phoenix in a place called Mesa, Arizona. So we'll be moving on to Yuma here after Christmas. So we'll be spending New Year's down in Yuma. And then we're going to go from there to Quartzsite and do the RV show there. Meanwhile, we got a lot of work that we've been doing on the rig itself. A lot of work going on, and you'll see that all unfold over the next few weeks. So we've been visiting with friends. They've been traveling with us. We got to see some of the people on our way down, caught up with us in Colorado. Tim and Brenda, the people that we worked with, good people, and we're looking forward to running into them again sometime down the road. I think they headed off to Florida and spent about a month down in the Keys, which real nice. So we're fixing the trailer up, and we're considering maybe trading this in and getting something new, start over nice and fresh. We'll see. We're going to look at RVs at the RV show, but we're not going to buy anything yet because I want to build up some more cash and knock down the balance of the loan on this. So we might do that. But meanwhile, all the maintenance work that needs to be done is going to get done, and so this trailer will be in really nice condition when we do go ahead and trade it in. So I don't want to impart problems to the next possible owner if we do decide to trade it in. We'll see. Kathy's looking at something a lot bigger. She likes the Forest River. It's like 43 feet long. It's the Impression 360. So I'm thinking, boy, that really pushes our current truck to the limit. But it is doable as far as the truck is concerned. But we'll see if we can get the right numbers down the road. I think we're probably looking maybe 6 months out before we do something like that. So we'll see. Oh, and here is a big news flash. We are going to go to work again. Same company, but a different location. We're going to be going all the way up to Michigan this year, and we're going to work through from about May 20th all the way to November 6th up in Michigan. So new experience, and my job will be at the front desk this time, so I'll be inside instead of outside. So I might like that better, I'm thinking. So we shall see. But working there will help reduce the payoff on our trailer and be able to make a nice down payment on a new trailer if we decide to do that. Get that loan as small as possible. We'll see. But looking forward to a new job, and I'll fill you guys in as when that happens. So the job has been offered to us, so we're good to go. And the nice thing is, a lot of the people that we worked with in South Dakota are coming along with us to Michigan too. So looking forward to that. We had a lot of great times partying and that together. So looking forward to that. It's nice to go to a place where you know most everybody. So that'll be awesome. Oh yeah, poor Frankie. He's grown quite a bit, but he got neutered just a couple weeks ago. Poor thing, I hated to do that, but poor baby. Frankie. Frankie has the cone of shame. Yeah, poor baby. Got neutered today. Hopefully that calms him down. He does have separation anxiety big time anytime we go out. He's a great dog as long as we're home. But boy, we go out, he just carries on. I'm afraid to get kicked out of an RV park somewhere. I'm hoping, since he got neutered, and that as he gets older, that that all calms down. We'll see. I hope. Got my fingers crossed. Some people say getting a second dog will definitely help. I'm just afraid if we get a second dachshund, that I'll just have two of them carrying on. Who knows? So I will be starting to crank out videos once again. I appreciate all you folks' patience and sticking with me. I know we've done this a number of times, but it's being retired. Um, Sometimes you just need to not do anything. So that's what we've been doing after working all those months. So, but we'll start putting out some videos again. A lot of DIY or DIY projects help everybody save money. You got to do it yourself. That's the only way that we can sustain this lifestyle. So, that's about it for now, but there's going to be a whole bunch of videos coming out, one right after the other. I did shoot a lot of video prior to today, and we're just a few days before Christmas now. So I will edit those videos and release those as well. I did some pretty major work to this a while back, so I'll crank those videos out too. If you got any questions for me, don't hesitate to ask. Put them down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Like I said, the possibly trading this in kind of weighs heavy on my mind. Like, do I want a new loan again? Financially, it's probably not the smartest thing to do, but you know what? New rig, hopefully maybe less problems. I don't know. Or is our current rig built better than the new ones? Who knows? Tell me what you think. Make a comment down in the description. All right. So I will see you in a few days with some new videos on how to do things. Until then, happy camping. Bye now.